Now I am going to teach 12th standard physics lesson number 4 numerical problem. Problem number 20. Calculate the instantaneous value at 60 degree, average value and RMS value of an alternating current whose peak value is 20 ampere. So here given theta equal to 60 degree, peak current or maximum current Im equal 20 ampere. So calculate the instantaneous value of current I, average value of current I, RMS value of current I. So instantaneous current I equal to Im sin omega t. I equal to 20 sin omega t. Theta equal to omega t, it's for 60 degree, sin 60 degree. So I equal to 20 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So I equal to 10 into 1.732. So totally instantaneous current I equal to 17.32 ampere. Average current I equal to 2Im by pi. So I average equal to 2 into Im value 20 by pi value 3.14 equal to 40 by 3.14. So IAV equal to I average equal to 12.74 ampere. RMS value of current equal to Im by root 2. Im value 20 by root 2 1.414. So IRMS equal to 14.14 ampere. Next problem 19. The 300 turn primary of a transformer. So primary coil, number of turns in primary coil NP equal to 300. So 3 into 10 power 2. Resistance of primary coil 0.82 ohm and resistance of its secondary of 1200 turns in 6.2 ohm. So number of turns in secondary 1200. So NS, number of turns in secondary coil 1200 equal to 10 power 2. Resistance 6.2 ohm. So find the voltage across the primary. The power output from secondary at 1600 volt is 32 kilovolt. So secondary voltage equal to 1600 volt equals 16 into 10 power 2 volt. So efficiency eta equal to 80%, 80 by 100. Output power equal to Vs Is equal 32 kilowatt. So 32 into 10 power 3. Kilo means 10 power 3 watt. So calculate the power loss in primary coil IP square Rp. Power loss in secondary coil Is square Rs. Vp by Vs equal to Np by Ns. So Vp equal to Np by Ns into Vs. So substitute the known value. Np value 3 into 10 power 2 by Ns value 12 into 10 power 2 bracket Vs value 16 into 10 power 2. So cancel these 3 tables and 4 tables. We obtain 4 into 10 power 2. So primary voltage 400 volt. Output power Vs Is equal to 32 kilowatt. 32 into 10 power 3 watt. So Is equal to 32 into 10 power 3 by Vs. So Is equal to 32 into 10 power 3 by Vs value 16 into 10 power 2. So cancel 16 table. We obtain Is equal to in 10 power 1. Is equal to 20 ampere. Efficiency eta equal to output power by input power. Efficiency eta equal to output power by input power, that is Vs Is by Vp Ip. So we need Ip. So Ip equal to this equation Ip equal to Vs Is by Vp eta. So substitute the known value in this equation. Ip equal to Vs value 16 in 10 power 2, Is value 20 by Vp value 4 in 10 power 2, that is 400. Eta value 80 by 100. So cancel this 100, 10 power 2 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, or 8 table, 8 1 8, 8 2s are 16, then cancel 2 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2 2 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 cancel. So we obtained 1 in 10 power 200 ampere. IP equal to, that is primary current IP equal 100 ampere. Power loss in primary coil IP square Rp equal to IP value 100 square into Rp value 0.82. So 0.82 into 100 square means 10,000. So finally we obtained IP square Rp equal to 8200 watt. Power loss in secondary coil Is square Rs equal to Is value 20 square into 6.2. So 20 square 400 6.2. So Is square Rs equal to 2480 watt. That is 2.480 10 power 3 watt or 2.48 kilowatt.